is the current state of my nails right now. I just have regular nail polish on, and we're gonna be doing them completely new. So we're gonna be doing a manicure, and we're gonna be doing a gel manicure. So we're gonna be using the Modelones nail polish, and it was a set that my husband got me. It's this curl gel starter kit, and it comes with the little UV light, nail polish, and a bunch of little goodies to do my nails. And this is the little UV light. It's really big, so I can fit my whole hand in there. And it comes with the 30, 60, and 90 seconds option. And then these are the colors. And I believe this was like $30 on Amazon. So it's a pretty good deal. You're getting a lot of stuff for a good price. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and clean around my nails. So you wanna push back the cuticles and make sure that your nails look clean, like all the little skin is gone. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna go ask my husband what color he wants me to do them. I'm thinking I'm kind of going for this one or this one for Valentine's Day. I just finished the 60-second, and I'm gonna go in and do 2 more coats. If you guys don't mess with your nails, then this will definitely last you 2 weeks. Mine lasts about a week and a half, maybe 1, just because I end up messing with them. As soon as I see that I chipped it, like if I hit it too hard or something and it chipped, then I'll definitely start picking at it, even though I try not to. Like, it's hard. So, but I mean, a week is still pretty good compared to regular nail polish, where it just chips like within an hour. So I'm just gonna cure this for 60 seconds. But basically, this is how they look. I added the top coat and they look pretty good. Like I said, it does save you money because you're only spending 30 bucks on the whole set, and it does bring a lot of nail polishes. This is how the nails turned out. That's with 2 coats and a top coat. Lastly, we're gonna use this little oil that came with the kit. Lastly, we're gonna add some hand cream because we want our hands to look nice, not just our nails. So I added some hand lotion, we have some cuticle oil, and this is how my nails turned out. And as you can see, it does look pretty clean. I probably could have done a lot better, but my hands were shaking, I was super cold. So this is like the perfect color for Valentine's Day. That's why I did my nails, so I could have them all ready. And it's the perfect color, it's not too bright, and I love it.